Hey guys, Mobile Geezer here with another Chrome browser warning from Tom's Guide. This article came out yesterday and it gives us information on a bunch of malicious extensions. So I thought I should make you guys aware of it. So let's go check it out.
Let's do this!
Nearly 2 million people hit by malicious Chrome installations that can track you. What to do now? And it was written yesterday by Amber Bowman. These unsafe extensions know your browsing activity too. Let's jump into Reader View, get rid of the ads. Almost a dozen malicious extensions found in Google's Chrome Web Store have been downloaded 1.7 million times. According to Bleeping Computer, these unsafe add-ons are still largely able to act as legitimate tools, but meanwhile, they're also able to track browser activity, track users, and potentially redirect users to web addresses that could spread malware. Discovered by researchers at Koi Security, a company that provides a platform for security self-provisioned software, the extensions in question range from VPNs and weather forecasters to themes and keyboards. The researchers also reported the extensions to Google. While some of them have been removed, some continue to be available. The extensions in question are Color Picker Eyedropper, Emoji Keyboard Online, Free Weather Forecast, Video Speed Controller, Unlock Discord, Dark Theme, Volume Max, Unblock TikTok, Unblock YouTube VPN, Unlock TikTok, Weather. That's as simple as it gets. At least one of those, Volume Max Ultimate Sound Booster, has been previously flagged by a different set of researchers who were concerned about its potential for spying on users. Many of the extensions are verified, have hundreds of positive reviews, and are prominently featured, which not only misleads users about their safety, but also may indicate that these extensions were hijacked by threat actors who then introduced malicious code. Because malicious code was introduced at a later time via updates and because Google's auto update system will deploy the newest version to users without requiring user interaction, the code was rolled out to users without them knowing. The Chrome Extensions API is used by the malicious extensions to execute their functionalities in the background, registering a listener that is triggered every time a user navigates to a new web page. This listener captures the URL of the new web page and exfiltrates the information to a remote server with a tracking ID for each user. The remote server can respond with redirection URLs, which hijacks the user's browsing activity and could potentially take them to unsafe destinations. This could lead to cyber attacks, though this is not something that Koi Security observed in their testing. Koi Security also discovered similar behavior in the official store for Microsoft Edge, with a total of 600,000 downloads. Combined, this creates one of the largest browser hijacking operations the researchers say they've ever documented. What to do if you have downloaded the malicious extensions? First, remove any and all of the listed extensions from your machine. Then make sure to clear all of your browsing data to get rid of any trackers or tracking identifiers. Next, check your system for malware by running a scan using your antivirus software. Keep an eye on your accounts and monitor them for any suspicious or unusual activity. Many antivirus programs have features that can help you keep track of your accounts, watch the dark web, or have features like identify monitoring. So I'm guessing that we all use some kind of Chrome extension, so I thought it was a good idea to let you guys know about this one right away. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
Yeah.